Welcome to Brain Vision.
A card is drawn at random from a deck of cards numbered 1 to 52. What is the probability that the drawn card has a prime number? In this experiment of drawing a card from a deck, every outcome is equally likely. We know this because we're told that the card is drawn at random, so every card has an equal chance of being selected. We can therefore apply the following formula. When all outcomes are equally likely, the probability of an event occurring can be found by dividing the number of successful outcomes by the total number of outcomes. The probability we want to calculate is the probability that the card drawn has a prime number, so the successful outcomes are all the prime numbers in the deck. The total number of outcomes is the number of cards in the deck, which is 52. Let's consider then the prime numbers between 1 and 52. Remember, prime numbers are those that have exactly two distinct factors. We should be relatively familiar with the prime numbers between 1 and 10, which are 2, 3, 5 and 7. And also the prime numbers between 10 and 20, which are 11, 13, 17 and 19. The prime numbers thin out as the numbers get larger. Between 20 and 30, the only primes are 23 and 29. And between 30 and 40, the only primes are 31 and 37. The final primes that are less than 52 are 41, 43 and 47. Remember, all prime numbers except 2 and 5 end in either 1, 3, 7 or 9. We can test whether a number is prime by considering the times tables or dividing it by all the integers up to its square root. Counting the numbers in our list, we see that there are 15 prime numbers between 1 and 52, and hence 15 successful outcomes. So, dividing the number of successful outcomes by the total number of outcomes, we find that the probability that the drawn card has a prime number is 15 over 52. 15 and 52 have no common factors other than 1, so this fraction can't be simplified. Our answer is 15 over 52.